In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history on Gemini AI, both on desktop and on mobile. Let's start on desktop. First, open your web browser and go to the Gemini AI website. Then sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Gemini page, look toward the top left or side of the screen for the main navigation menu. This is usually where you'll see things like your recent chats and settings. Find the section that shows your past conversations. It might be labeled as History, Recent, or something similar, and you'll see a list of the chats you've had with Gemini. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure you're on the right account, especially if you use multiple Google profiles in the same browser. Now, look for the option to manage or delete this history. Depending on the current layout, this could appear as a three-dot menu near the top of the history panel, a gear icon for settings, or a Manage Activity link. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page or panel that lets you control how your Gemini activity is saved. Here, you should see options to clear data. You can usually delete specific conversations one by one, or clear them in bulk. If you want to remove everything, choose the option that says something like Delete All, or Delete for all time. You may be asked to confirm your choice, and sometimes you'll see an extra reminder that this action can't be undone. Go ahead and confirm, and your chat history on desktop will be cleared. Let's move on to mobile. Open the Gemini AI app if you have it installed, or open your mobile browser and go to the same Gemini website, then make sure you're signed in. On the app or mobile site, look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner. Tap that to open the side menu. Just like on desktop, you'll see your recent chats or history listed. Tap on the History or Activity section to view your conversations. Again, look for a Settings icon, a 3-dot menu, or a Manage Activity option. Tap it to open your activity controls. From here, you can delete individual chats by selecting them and choosing Delete, or you can find the option to clear all activity. Select the option to delete all your chat history, confirm when prompted, and wait a moment while the app processes the change. After this, your Gemini AI chat history should be cleared on both desktop and mobile, giving you a clean slate for future conversations.